Hello, and welcome to Rocky Hills Environment, Mecha Setup Tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover setting up the Custom Tree Importer third-party shaders for the standard pipeline in just a few easy steps. Before we begin, one thing to mention is you might notice that the prefab preview is broken, showing in pink. If you place the prefab in the scene, the prefab works just fine despite the pink previews. If that's the case, just right-click on all of your broken prefab and re-import. First, switch from the gamma to the linear color space in the player settings. When you open an example scene, you might notice that the foliage is a fluorescent green color. That is not the correct look. This only happens in the defer rendering mode. In forward, it looks how it should. To illustrate this, I will open a new scene with the camera set to forward. To apply the fix to the deferring rendering, open the third-party tool folder, Resources, then go into Project Settings, Graphics, under the Built-in Shader settings, and set Defer and Defer Reflection to Custom. Drag the corresponding components to their appropriate slot. And there you go.